Good evening, good evening, good evening. I hope that you've been doing good wherever you are, whether in Kenya, outside Kenya, wherever you are, and I hope that you have been following the content that I had posted. I think this year I haven't been that much active on this channel, but we thank God for everything because I know you are continuing with the passion to learn the great Murima language. Yeah, so this is just a recap video reminding you that I'm still there, that I'm still doing the Kikuyu lessons, and I'm always happy to do that. I'm always happy to guide you in uh, in learning Kikuyu, and those who are not yet on my WhatsApp Kikuyu learning page, kindly be there, kindly be there, kindly make sure that you are in that group so that you can ask your own customized questions. Okay, and I'm sharing actually the link to the group now, so that if you have not joined, you may join there. And the group is only for learning Kikuyu, asking your questions, and all that, and everybody is welcome there. And I try my best to answer your questions. I try my best to give you feedback of my questions. Yeah, so on chat there, I've shared the link to the WhatsApp group. Make sure that you have joined there so that even when I'm not maybe live, when you are not able to access me, you can always go there and ask your questions, and I will be glad to answer them. Any. Now, in the journey of learning Kikuyu language, it takes a lot of work, mostly on the student side. A language is kind of a big thing, and most of the items that you need to learn, you might not be really trained by the teacher. Like, you need to practice them. For instance, the pronunciation of different words, you need to do them practically. You need to practice them. You need to speak with some phrase there and try and use the vocabularies that are supplied for you, and also listening for new vocabulary. Actually, this is the purpose of this group, because if you go and watch the Kikuyu channels there, you hear some words that you may not know what they mean. The group is there so that you can ask questions, and so that you can continue learning Kikuyu. Okay? Yeah, so um, what do you want us to review today? Maybe some name of some food stuff. Irio, like irio, irio, irio. Irio is food. Irio. Now, mithemba ya irio, mithemba, types. Mithemba, types. Mithemba ya irio, mithemba ya irio, types of food. Let's go to some tubers. Let's go to some tubers. We have the common ones in the Kikuyu ladder: doma, 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 arrowroot, arrowroot. The other one is meaga, meaga, meanga, meaga, cassavas, meaga, cassavas, meanga, cassavas. We have another one: gouache, 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 gouache. Gouache is, give me a guess word for that. Gouache, sweet potatoes. We have waru, 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 potatoes, or Irish potatoes. So those are some of the tubers that we have. So let me share some free content here for you. Let me just share some content here for you so that you can learn something from this Kikuyu lesson. I know I've not been here. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I'm trying, but sometimes we are quite busy. We are doing a lot of things here and there. but as long as I have time, I will be coming here and sharing the content with you. But of more importance, make sure that you have joined the group so that you can ask your questions at your own free time. Okay, yeah, it will assist you and it will help you a lot. Okay, so don't be left behind even when I'm not here. Make sure that you have join the group. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so that you can even be finding new content as I upload them. Okay, yeah, and I believe that you are going to learn and that you are going to grow deep into this language. So let's just review one of advanced lesson here. This about safe education. Let me see what you can understand from this. Let me just share the screen. Let me share the screen. The screen is coming up. The screen is coming up. The screen is coming up in a minute. Good. Now we have this one. This is civic education, things to do with human being, but this is a mixed one. Because not just civic, it is a mixed one. But let's just go through some of the words that are here. Yeah, so we start from reading this one. I wish you could join this and read for me. So, uhoro waku, how are you? Umuthi, today. Tukurora maundu megie thirikari. Umuthi, today. Tukurora, we will look maundu, things megie thirikari concerning government. Thirikari, government. Raia, citizens. Atongoria, leaders. Gatiba, constitution. Watho, that is what? Law. Na mangĩ maingĩ and many others. Rora marĩtwa maya. Rora, look. Marĩtwa, names. Maya, these ones. Ũmathome, read them. Nĩguo tũhote, so that gũtwarana wega, to go together. You have it there. Okay, so good. Let's look into some of the words here that we have. We have already seen one of the word was government. And you have any question, by the way, you can comment there in the comment section. I'll be quite ready to answer you. So the first one that we have here is dirikari. Dirikari, it's government. Raia, citizen. Atongoria, leaders. Igoti, court. Watho, law. Gatiba, constitution. Bunge, parliament. Utongoria, leadership. Bũrũri, country. Ũtonga, wealth. So when you hear of the word itonga, rich people, itonga. Let's go to next one. We are just reading some vocabulary for now to make it quite simple for you. So we have this one. Igoti inene. The first word is igoti inene. That is high court. Jera. Jail, like in the North TV, we have had this program for Jera Ineshito. We had that one. I don't know where. I don't know. Jera Ineshito in our jails. So Jera, jail. Ohwo, prisoners. Mawatho, laws. Mathomo, education. Urigitani, medical things. Okay, urigitani, medicine and such. Ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, health. Like now you have rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. It is Ministry of Health. Ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, health. Rũhonge, ministry. Ũgitĩri, security. Ũthii wa na mbere, development, not developer. Development. Uthii wa na mbere. Uthii wa na mbere. Reke tuone some simple sentences, very short sentences. We have the first one here. Demo Kenya. I am a Kenyan. Not I am a Kenya. I am a Kenyan. Demo Kenya. I am a Kenyan. Nyumite Kenya. I am from Kenya. Thirikari ito. Our government. Ruhonge rwa ugiteri. Ministry of Defense. Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri. Ministry of Health. Uhaguku wa ugiteri. Deterioration of security. Yeah, we go on. Let's try this one. Another simple one here for you. Munene wa bururi. That can refer to the president. Like Munene is the person who is the topmost there, okay? So Munene wa bururi equates to president. Ihoto cia andũ, human rights. Igoti nĩ rĩreganĩte. Igoti nĩ rĩreganĩte. The court has denied. Cira wĩ igoti. The case is in court. Ungumania ti mwega. Corruption is bad. Corruption is bad. Akenya othe or Kenyans. Let's go to another one here. We have another one here. Muici nĩ anyitwo. Muici nĩ anyitwo. The thief has been arrested. Aratuĩrĩirwo gĩkuũ. He or she was sentenced to death. Raia nĩ marakarĩte. The citizens are not happy, or they are unhappy. Mitaratara ya thirikari. Government policies. Thayũ wa bũrũri. Country's peace. Andũ a wendi mwega. Good Samaritan. And now the last one is Munene wa thitango. Chief Justice. Kũhũrana na ungumania. Fighting corruption. Gũcokia thitango. Case appeal. Abunge othe, all members of parliament. Cira wake. His or her case. Thĩna mũingĩ. Many problems. And that's what I wanted us to review today, and just catch up and just to greet you and to know how you are doing. And I'm happy for your continued interest in learning the Kikuyu language. I continue offering the personalized one-on-one classes. If you are interested on that, you can always reach to me via that email there on the screen, and that email. And may God bless you so much, and may you continue learning Kikuyu. If you have any questions, you can always ask here on the comment section. But I also have the WhatsApp group that I have shared there that's specifically for learning Kikuyu. So if you have any questions, you have all those channels. God bless you. Netuonane. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Netwathie mwalimu. Bye.